One of the tools that we have come up with at Multi-Shelter Solutions to help prospective customers go through all of the choices on a shelter is an 8-step shelter customization checklist. The purpose of this checklist is just to point out things that need to be considered. And the purpose of this video is just to highlight those things. We will be making more videos where we get into each one of these points in greater detail. So if you have a point of particular interest or struggle on your part, then go to that corresponding video. The first thing is to pick a location. And the key takeaway on that point is to not pick an area that is not good for anything else. There are long-term consequences to choosing any spot, and by picking a spot that is not good for anything else, you are going to be coping with problems all the way down the line. The next area that you need to address is the size. Now, space requirements are going to be the starting point, but we have different things to point out as far as different widths and also the length and how that fits into long-term goals that you have and need to be considered. The other thing that is a key consideration for the structure size is the height of the building. Different heights will do different things for you, and we will review how these will impact and help you accomplish what you want to do. A key thing for any structure is the foundation, and your location will dictate some of the things that need to be considered for location, and so we will get into that in greater detail. The rest of the checklist will cover things that finish off the building. The first of those is the cover. We do single and double, both white and clear plastic, and we have the woven tarps. Each of these will accomplish different things for you and are required in different circumstances. So as we explore how these are being handled, then you will be able to match that with what you are trying to accomplish. Another key thing that needs to be remembered when considering a building is ventilation. Even if it is a storage building, steps need to be taken to get rid of moisture, and so that is part of the ventilation package. Greenhouses have their own set of requirements for ventilation, as do livestock shelters, and this needs to be thoroughly considered if you are going to achieve the goals of your building. The last area that we address in our checklist is the ends. There are different ways of doing ends, and depending on what you are trying to accomplish with the ends will to a certain extent dictate what you how you are going to finish that. And so all of these things need to be addressed before you actually make your purchase if you are going to accomplish what you are setting out to do. And we work with you to help you understand all of these things, and so that you will have the biggest chance of getting it right. If you have found this information to be helpful, we certainly urge you to sign up for our Community Connection newsletter and also to subscribe for our YouTube channel, where you will get regular updates on the things that are going on at Multi-Shelter Solutions. We look forward to working with you and receiving your call.